Within every rainbow, there is a story, a song. Within every rainbow, there is a journey. Within every rainbow, there are rainy days.
Alright, I'm giving in. I'm gonna try the towel trick. Wish me luck. Alright, this probably isn't very smart, but it's my only source to watch movies, and I'm desperate. What time is it? 1:42 in the morning. We'll come back around a little after 2. I think it's still running. Oh crap. I don't want to waste 25 minutes and then I'll be running. Oh yeah, I can hear it. Alright, I'm gonna go grab a fire extinguisher and we'll be back in around 20-25 minutes. Alright, it's 2:07, which I believe is exactly 25 minutes, which it's really late, so I might be wrong on that, I don't know. And it's louder, so I'm hoping whatever it's supposed to be doing worked. Holy crap. Now I've seen on some videos that this was flashing 2 red lights, and I think that means it reset whatever it needs to reset. So I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I will give it a shot since I'm tired and I don't think I'm gonna try again tonight. Take it into the bedroom with the AC, let it cool down for a little bit. Alright, it's the only room in the house with AC, so I'm gonna leave it in here for like 10 minutes and let it cool down, and we'll give it a shot, and hopefully this works. Otherwise I wasted a bunch of time filming this and doing this for nothing. So, see you in a little bit. Alright, I don't know how long it's been because I wasn't really paying attention when I brought it in here. So I'm going to hook it back up and hopefully it'll work. I'm really tired now, and the movie, if I can get it to work, will only play for probably about 5 minutes before I fall asleep to it. And then when I fall asleep, my Xbox will probably overheat from being on all night, so it probably won't matter anyway. Hard drive. That doesn't sound good. Oh. I don't even believe it. I don't even want to touch it. Alright, I'm gonna have to blur that out just in case it matters. See you on YouTube.